Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Take a ride in the 2017 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, tire pressure monitor, FWD, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.